Hi, this is Carlos Cousins. The following U.S. and world literature passage question is asking for the meaning of the word unduly in context. It's telling us this happens on line 2, so let's go ahead and check this out. This day, which I had begun with so many misgivings, was, as it happened, one of the few in which I was not unduly wretched. So, if you don't know what unduly means, we can go ahead and cross out a couple of the answer choices right away. Regardless, contemptible is an adjective, not an adverb. This ends in ly. It wouldn't make sense to say I was not contemptible, wretched, just like it wouldn't make sense to say I was not um, unhappy, sad. You can't, these things, adjectives don't modify each other. So that doesn't make sense. Appropriately would imply that, the fear was not appropriately wretched means that um, what the reasons that the narrator finds later on for being wretched are bad reasons. And what happens, in fact, is not that he's wretched. It looks like he's actually really happy. He's thinking of this girl that he's in love with, and he's waiting with impatience all night to see her. And it looks like he's not wretched at all. It looks like he's happy after all. So appropriately doesn't make sense. Unjustifiably would imply that he's usually um, wretched or sad for reasons that aren't, I guess, warranted, and this is the only time that he's wretched for a realistic, or valid reason. But it doesn't seem that he's actually sad in the first paragraph or the beginning of this day, which he begins. Excessively makes more sense. That he was not sad to an unjustifiable degree, maybe. Very, very sad. So it seems that instead of being very, very sad, he was not very, very sad, maybe happy, or maybe less sad than he usually is. Although that helps with this problem, and happy prepping.